Our team name is Balgar. We are biomedical and cancer research team. We are working on a new selective cancer treatment project.
We are Team Bo. We're from South Africa. The product is called Dr. Bo. Dr. Bo is a device we designed to help eliminate the fear of injections.
So we are UJ Woman in Tech. We are called Nudge. We are from South Africa, and what we created is a manually powered breast pump that has a universal fit lid, meaning that you can fit any bottle of any size and of any material.
Well, I'm now excited to celebrate something which is dear to my heart and truly special, the AAKRUTI Global Finale. Now, what began as a student design challenge in India has grown into a global movement with 12,000 students from all over the world solving real-world problems using creativity, compassion, and design. So the winner is Team UJ Women in Tech from University of Johannesburg and their project Latch.
Okay, what inspired... first of all, thank you so much. I feel very honored and grateful to be here. What inspired us to build our manually powered breast pump milk expression system was that we wanted to betterify the daily lives of mothers. And what we've learned so far, this was a very empowering experience, I won't lie. I learned so much about myself. I gained new skills through Solidworks and also 3D experience. I'm so grateful to the AAKRUTI team. I'm so grateful to the Solidworks team. I'm so grateful to Dassault Systems. I'm really, really grateful. And thank you so much. Thank you to everyone. I gained new friends. I'm like still starstruck.
My name is Alex Marcaday. I'm an assistant professor at the Pennsylvania College of Technology. I'm also a squadron leader and SolidWorks champion.
Nosotros somos el equipo Binegubilla.
So yeah, it's feeling very happy, and it's proud moment for me, my college, and my parents also.
We are the Nickel team from Indonesia.
We are Team Hydrolink from University Science Malaysia. Hi, we're Team Innovators. We're from India.
We're the Med Enhancers from Imperial College London.
We develop artificial prosthesis of the heart.
We are Team Shady Business from Singapore. We are Expertex, co-industrial design student from Barcelona, UPC.